How to use shields on Monopoly Go. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can use shields on Monopoly Go. Guys, the process is really easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's get started with the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your Monopoly Go app, and once you open it you're going to land over here on this interface. Then what you have to do is just make sure that you roll your dice and collect these shields right over here. Once you land on these shields that you can see on the board, you are going to stack them up into your account or profile. Once you have a stack of these over here on the top right corner, you're going to just use them automatically. When someone attacks you or a player attacks you, it's going to use it automatically. Per attack it's going to use one shield, and that's how your shields are going to be used. Just make sure you have a stack of these available. You just have to click go and it's going to roll the dice for you, and if you land on these shields they are going to add up and stack up into your account, and that they can be used later when someone attacks you automatically. So that's the process of using a shield. I hope you liked the process and found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.